Them tell the left to give me nothing because me a power with Macka. You saw them good, you saw them wicked.
So what me if you a par with Macka? Look how much of them a par with entertainer.
So she not talk to Macka now. She don't want to look like she don't want to talk to her. I say, anytime I stop talk to her, she will help me. She not never help me back.
Who said that?
Nicki.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
So she tell us that she will never help you back?
Yeah. Unless
Crazy.
we stop her with that when not help me. Yeah, that's what she talking. Everybody know.
Oh wow. But nothing now going for Macka too much.
But a long time she never do nothing.
Tell us something. I feel like Nicki Minaj look on it so everybody choose them own like them own a star who them a par with, and them feel like say Derrick a par with Macka, so she say anything we need make Macka give. You know them that type of way there?
Yeah.
Like pretty
But
than
nothing now.
a par with Spice.
Teacher.
That's why she not do much with
But
pretty than
teacher, nothing now to go on for Macka like that. So why she go fix her mouth and tell Derrick that?
Well, it's either in par with her or drop Macka. You know, she
Me nah drop, me woulda drop Macka for nobody. Me no business.
Yeah, but
Wouldn't do it.
But at the end of the day,
You can't say me
when y'all
talk to her
when y'all,
for
hold on the
real
money
with.
body. Hold on the money body. When y'all listen, when y'all really hear the conversation, this is sound like high school shit. Pick a side, pick a side. You over there, so you have to choose this. Like this is high school shit. Like seriously. And we are all grown, and this is grown people, bro. Like seriously, fun and joke aside, like we are all grown ass people. It don't matter if Derrick fuck with Nicki or whoever. It don't matter. Like why is that an issue? Like if y'all don't fuck with each other, but I fuck with the both of y'all, I'm not gonna get in between the.
Oh, you feel?
Yeah, but me nah make that child because Macka nah do. Me and she a good brethren, you know. She helped me up when she ready. Me not have to come and come tell about
That's right, Derrick. Exactly.
No, but when me
right,
ask
that's a Derrick.
Hold on, little money body. Derrick, you feel say Nicki Minaj give you the ultimatum for pick a choice? Oh, you
it looks so, but me not. I look, she want that, but me not do that. Nah, do it.
okay? So
You could never give me again. She not give me the whatever matter. But only can all this, she not have to give me nothing. She not have to. Me want to say my family no.
Yeah, my all ear Nicki start disrespect Vice Cartel too. Yeah?
I blame them. I blame them. She have friend. Me keep blaming them.
She say a vendetta thing there. That's a
the reason
alkaline.
why, Derrick, that's the reason why I was saying to you. She's looking at it like she pick blame them, Macka pick you, Spice pick Pretty Dan. So it's like everybody pick them own celebrity, who them. So she pick blame them. You understand? So that's how I view the whole thing. That's why it becomes a problem with blame them and
Pretty Dan
because Pretty Dan, she look Pretty Dan look on it.
What about Nicki Minaj money fight?
Yeah,
Give
so,
who she want to give. She do with her money what she want to do with her money. Cause Nicki look at she depends on whole heap of medication. After Nicki and
And she love the bagger, you know. She love the bagger, you know. She love the bagger.
Nicki is not God. I'm not disrespecting her, but she give what she want to give.
She's a culture vulture.
Nicki and her money and who she want to give. Cause when Nicki
She's a culture blood
Nicki
clot
depends on whole heap of
vulture.
prescribed medication.
That's what she is.
She depends on some street meds. That me look on Nicki.
Yeah.
who she want to give. I will never say anything bad.
You never hear when Brandon are going with this song. I
Me
bet
no
for the
business, she's
people.
a culture vulture
Hold on,
teacher.
let me hear what Derrick said. What you say, Derrick?
You see when you ready to angle people and I bet for the people
Oh, blame them, yeah.
Yeah, I see him bench for one guy daughter over there. After I tell the guy if I bring up the daughter, TikTok boss, and him I say, bring up your daughter, let me see your daughter. I mean, never like when him just belch when the little girl there.
Yeah, I'm still. I should get the money for him.
Yes, the little girl run. As him see the little girl come on and just belch. That was rude.
That was disgusting.
Yeah, I saw
Nasty.
it. Call up the little girl to say hi to the little girl, and when the little girl come on, him just belch. And him say, the people them like it, and the people them support Arms House. The people them support wickedness.
Me make a video and me say what? Me make a video and say why Nicki have to support with him foolish we go and cuss people and angle people like that on the internet and around the people. Look what she do. Look how in the Queen, man Queen kick up, you know. Man Queen catch up. And man Queen go and bad.
For the live. Queen asks.
You know it's what me think? Me think people for stop watch Nicki and her money. When she do what she want to do with her money. Me not call Nicki name. Nicki and no God. It's like people kind of watch the girl and who she want to give. Make she go and go get who she want to give. You can't eat her for get who she want to give her money. Stop watch Nicki and her money. All me and you there, but go like Nicki never exists. Can you hear when you come up here, you know? Don't worry yourself. Because Nicki says she go buy Rosalie house. Stop fret over Nicki and her money. The fool and his money will soon depart. Stop watching Nicki and her money. Nicki money is her money to do what she want to do with it.
Who asked you something,
Derrick? Watching Nicki money. Stop it.
She tell Pretty Dan forget it. If make me come on a live with them, I'm go on a live and she talk about Rosalie.
Money. People for stop it.
Hold on, Lico. Say what you said, Derrick.
No. And one Sunday, she did on live with Pretty Dan. And Pretty Dan, he want me talk with her. If I choose a Rosalie said man a park. Yeah, when I go on the live, I tell her, yes, it's true. Rosalie said man a park. And I want to lick me at the park. And then we there. So she come again up. What the man when me give her? Mr. Nicki, over 3 years you know. I'm gonna buy things with it. Plus me have to play guest house every night.
Watch Nicki and her money.
She ask him. Make him say that. Make him say go down and she ask him. Go ahead, Derrick. Finish up.
Yeah, me tell her. Me not talk about her money. Me don't know her.
But she ask you, what you do with the money? And you tell her over 3 years now. And what she say?
She got people tell them about Jada Kingdom too. And me never stable place to live. He said me have to pay a guest house so all over what it do. Money no must done, money can't save yourself. You have to eat, you have to pay every night.
Oh,
everything
so you have money done because you have to pay a guest house, you have to eat.
Yeah.
Okay.
Rosalie are the main one that tell her things.
I think that was them they used that to stop gifting you.
Top Granny, read what Top Granny say.
Yeah.
So think about it is Derrick. Nicki Minaj and Macka have a problem. Me don't know, me just ask.
Macka did cuss over Nicki na help her. Everybody get them feelings in Nicki and her money. Leave Nicki, make she do what she want to do with her money alone. Macka Diamond go on live, go complain, say Nicki I help this and I help that and not help her. It caused the problem. Leave the woman and her money and who she want to give her money alone. Is that gonna go to the woman and help certain people and help you know? When you go on live and I go quiet, say Nicki not help you. Same thing, Queenie, do stop it.
I think in Macka Diamond's case, I think her version of help is like try to make a song like.
Yeah, but I can't want make song with Uno. She make song with who she want. That's why I'm in a mix up.
Not me.
End up in a mix up because I'm a watch who Nicki help. Leave Nicki alone. She's one person. She's not God. It's her money. She do what she want to do with it. When I call on crosses for myself, I fret over this girl and her money.
It's true. Sometimes you have to see something and go on like you don't see.
I eat Macka Diamond do I eat Queenie do stop it. We just hand with Nicki and what she want to do with her money and what who she want to collaborate with. And I vex say she not collaborate with Uno. Stop it. Leave that demon alone.
Back to bad. Like they should, in a way, like these American artists. Let's not get it twisted. They'll say they'll work with you and don't work with you.
Yeah. The reason why Queenie get this and the reason why Macka get gift is because on his and about what the woman want to do and who the woman want to do it with. You don't have to stop that tweet. It's like a give bad mind vibes.
Yeah,
Leave the woman and who she want to link with, who she want to collaborate, and who she want give. You know, watch your woman money like I want to make it with her. And it causes the problem. Leave the woman and her money and what she want to do with it, man. As I love how pretty girl back her things. You make people frightened, oh no.
Pretty than give her back her things.
About when Nicki
No
do
pretty
that
than give her back.
Pretty girl back it.
Oh, Britney.
No, Britney.
No.
It's true though. Stop it.
Yeah.
Yeah, because, alright, so she come about and she can't give everybody, you know. But let me tell you what is the problem. Some of them will feel like say them a big star. And she said she grab and pan somebody like a blame them when they're really open like that. It's like the feelings start carrying. Like them she should have
carry feelings to the woman and who she want help and who she want to give.
Yes, and
You
that's the
cannot
problem.
do that.
True.
And that's what Queenie do. That's what Macka do. Stop it. It's her money.
Same time, she can't tell Derrick. Hold on. The whole of we are Jamaican. The whole of we are Jamaican, and at the same time, she cannot tell Derrick who about when him drop certain people, she will help him. That is not right, neither.
That's why I don't want to help from Nicki.
She want
That's why like Nicki not exist.
if you help somebody, you help them.
I want to carry feelings to the girl and her money and who she want help and who she want
you
give.
don't do that.
You don't do that.
Derrick, the
somebody else with a
opportunity, you know, for
genuine
him to do what him want to do. If him feel like say it work dropping Macka and him want to him, but him say ma hold on. So, but at least she tell him how she feel, and him react or him want react. Him say him nah go let go Macka. So that a feel child.
But
somebody
teacher,
said-
the
Derrick,
reason
them
why
said
she
some-
feels so about
them said
Macka,
Derrick a
teacher,
tell
we have
lie.
to understand now. The reason why Nicki do what she do, and
don't
say she
tell
not
them,
gonna
okay,
help
let me
Derrick
tell you
until
one
him
come- do one
drop
come and talk
Macka,
on ear,
is
what
because
can I
what
lie?
Macka did.
No, somebody
Look at them,
Complain about the girl and her money.
Derrick Stacy.
Somebody in the comments
Hold
said y'all lie, Derrick.
on, make we hear Derrick.